Hello, everybody. Bengal Atenji here. Really, the concept of management is very broad and wide, and is one of the topic that is most relevant to every human on the planet Earth. It's so important that we cannot evade it in every sector, every sphere of life. It's so important that no matter our discipline, we have to manage something. And also, when we are talking about management does not really connote anything like scarcity. Not at all. If we are not managing something because resources are scarce, we are actually managing resources to ensure maximum productivity are gained and received or retrieved from every resource put to use. And that is what we call effectiveness, effective living. So the topic that we want to review and take an overview of is really important, and anybody that has it done maybe in school is a very privileged few that should really appreciate that they were able to do management, because management is not about schooling, not at all. Management is what everybody needs, is what every life requires, is what everybody should enjoy. But it's just quite unfortunate that reverse is the case in life. And thank God, thank God that we are of the privileged few. So we are going to overview management, what is expected of us to know about the topic. When we are talking about management, is there are things that we will be looking at, and is so important that we look at them critically and holistically. We are going to be looking at the nature of business. We're going to be looking at the principle of management. We're going to be looking at management processes. We're going to be looking at the organic business functions. We are going to be looking at management of workplace and relationship. We are going to be looking at of practices and procedure, office practices and procedure, health and safety, which we usually call HSC. We'll see that is an all important topic. It's an all important topic that we should not overlook at all. So by the way, this video is a notification going out that we are releasing video on management, overviewing what management should entail and how to go about managing resources, managing organization, managing personal life, managing society, managing businesses, and so on and so forth. If you are just joining us on GGM Associate channel, going Galatunji is my name here. Please click the notification button, click all. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can receive timely notification from us. Share if you enjoy what you are going to hear or what you've been hearing on this channel. Don't forget to share it to other people that may need it. Like this particular topic that we are talking about is an all-time important topic, all-time important cause that every life actually needs and require. Please share, share, share to other people.